Good morning. Today we're going to be doing an experiment using water. I know how much you love playing in water, so this is going to be a fun activity. Today we're going to be working with objects that either sink or float. When something sinks, it goes to the bottom. When something floats, it stays on top. So you're going to be doing a prediction. Will the item sink to the bottom of the water, or will the item stay on top of the water, float? Some of the materials I'll be using today is a small plastic apple, a toy boat, a ring, a quarter, which is 25 cents, a plastic spoon, and a plastic empty water bottle. We're going to predict if these items will sink or float. Look, the apple. Do you predict it will sink or float? Let's see. The apple float. It stayed on top of the water. How about the boat? Look, do you predict the boat will sink or float? What's your prediction? Let's put it in the water. The boat floats. It stayed on top of the water. It floats. How about the ring? Will the ring sink or float? Drop it into the water. The ring went to the bottom of the water. It sank. That's your prediction? Do you predict this spoon will sink or float? What's your prediction? Let's put it in the water. The spoon sank to the bottom of the water. Do you predict the quarter, which is 25 cents, will it sink or float? Let's drop it in the water. The quarter dropped directly to the bottom of the water. It sank. How about the plastic bottle? Would you predict it will sink or float? Let's see. Drop it into the water. The plastic bottle floats. It stayed on top. Was your predictions right? For one thing, we must have remembered before we had started our project, we should always have started by washing our hands. Water first, then soap. Let me see those 20 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In between the fingers, underneath the nails. Let me see the dirt go down the drain. Always wash your hands before any water activity and after any water activity. Then you take a clean paper towel, dry your hands, and turn off the water. So the challenge for today would be to go around your house, find 8 items, and predict, will they sink or will they float? And if you do this activity at home, make sure you send a picture to your teachers. I had so much fun. I will see you tomorrow. Ta-da!